Alrighty, we got a printer to scrap today, and yeah, this thing's been playing fucking funny buggers, and it's decided to pack up for good now. So let's get into this thing. But here's the problem. I've got hardly any screwdrivers on me, so that's going to be a bit of a problem. The best though is rip everything out with fucking force. So this cable here, oh, he's like nigga it. Fuck it. It's there. You might as well yank it out until it can't, until there's nothing left of it. And destroy the fucker. Let's have some fun then, shall we? Ready, so we've got transformer here, copper bearing transformer, copper bearing resistor, copper bearing transformer, got an aluminum heatsink. Take that off and take the little what's it called off as well, because aluminum heatsinks, they give the best prices because they're the highest grade of aluminium you can get. So yeah, so this board is going to be stripped of all its copper and aluminium. This is how much copper you get out of it. A little ball out of the power supply, not much. Get a little bit of insulated copper windings, which is a bit weird. And a little bit of aluminium heatsink. You got a little bit of steel, but I've already chucked it in the bin. In the steel bin. So yeah. Awesome. All coming along nicely. Now let's crack on with this, but that's going to be in a different video.